my channel. I'm Mariah, your Dairy State vegan, back for a super awesome cocktail video with my very handsome husband, Jeff. So if you want to learn how to make some really easy festive cocktails for your upcoming holiday parties, stay tuned. Alright, so I have come up with two different fun cocktail recipes for your holiday party. We're doing a his and a hers. Okay, so I'm going to start with his first. This we're calling the Frisky Reindeer, and it's similar to a Moscow Mule, so you're definitely going to want a festive copper mug. If you don't have any of these copper mugs, which are a necessity for any type of mule, I'll link some really good ones in the description box below, so you can order them and get them in time for Christmas. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, and I'll let you do this part, babe, is take some ice and fill your cup with ice. Fill it, because that'll... There we go. Let's see, okay, so it's important with any cocktails to fill your cup pretty high with ice. I know you're thinking, oh, I won't get as much booze. It's not true. It really changes and affects the flavor of your drink. So don't be shy on the ice. You're gonna put the same amount of alcohol in anyways. And then what's gonna make this a little different than a Moscow Mule is instead of vodka, we're using tequila, which is what makes it a Frisky Reindeer. If you leave these out instead of carrots for the reindeers, you might find they have stripped themselves of their jingle bells and left them under your tree. Okay, so we're gonna add 2 shots of tequila. And then to the tequila, I'm gonna add 2 shot glasses of cranberry juice. This is gonna give you a nice little bit of tartness with your tequila. We're gonna add a squeeze of lime juice. And then we're gonna top it off with a ginger beer. Ginger beer is a non-alcoholic beverage, by the way. We got the Stoli one, but there's all kinds of good ones out there, so get whichever one you want. And then, for a garnish, we're gonna add some fresh cranberries. He's really excited to try this, but don't tell him he can't try. Oh, you can try it before I make mine. You can try it, I'll let you. All right, so we're gonna add some fresh cranberries to the top to be pretty and festive. And then we're also
reindeer droppings.
We're also gonna add just a sprig of rosemary. Not that sprig.
It's gotta be just the right one.
You know, we'll just pop that right in there. All right, I'm gonna show you what this looks like, and then you can try it. So there you have your festive reindeer mule. Let's mix it up with the rosemary stick and try it out, babe. Tell me what you think.
That's on mine.
Delicious, right?
The cranberries helps on the tequila.
Yeah. All right, now that he has his cocktail, it is time for me to make mine. So for my drink today, we're gonna make something called Rudolph's Elixir. It's a fizzy pomegranate drink made with Prosecco and pomegranate juice. It's gonna be really, really good. Something you don't know about my husband is he's terrified of sparkling wine bottles, particularly opening them. So he might jump a little. You might get a little entertained.
I've put holes in the walls with champagne bottles before, and the corks going off before I wanted them to. So the fear is warranted.
You just have to be more careful, honey.
But she doesn't, so we're good. Oh yeah, she aims it at my face. Go there you go.
Woo! Okay, trick, when you open any sparkling wine, keep the towel over it for a couple seconds and you won't lose it bubbling out over it. So, our drink is super simple. To a champagne flute. These are my beautiful Oleg Cassini. They were wedding toasting flutes, and we only use them for special occasions. If you like all things sparkly, I'll link these in the description box below too. They're so pretty and so great for festive occasions. So we're just gonna put about a half to 1 ounce of pomegranate juice in our champagne flute. And then we're gonna fill it the rest of the way with Prosecco. And then, in honor of Rudolph's nose, we're gonna add some pomegranate seeds. And it's so pretty and bubbly. I'll show you this, and then Jeff and I will try our cocktails. So here we have our Rudolph's elixir in our fancy glass. So pretty, and now we're gonna taste it and see if it tastes as good as it looks. All right, honey, ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
It's so good. The pomegranate juice gives it like a good amount of tart, and then the bubbliness from the Prosecco, the perfect holiday cocktail. So I hope you all enjoyed our holiday cocktail video today. If you liked this video, please help us out by giving this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below with any type of holiday videos you'd like to see until Christmas. And of course, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our fun videos. We're gonna enjoy our cocktails and our evening, and we'll talk to you all later.